Hello. I'm super excited to be here once again. This evening, we are really going to be talking about a very interesting topic. Yeah, this topic has been on my mind for long. Yeah, welcome, my people from LinkedIn, my people from Facebook and YouTube. I'm super excited to have you all once again. Yeah. So today's topic we'll be discussing on 7 common investment lies. 7 common investment lies. Yeah. This topic is so interesting. Very interesting. I don't want you to miss it. So the only thing you can do for me right now is to share this video to as much people as you can. Share this video to as much people as you can. Share it to different groups. People need to learn about this. Once you know about these 7 investment lies, you will stop falling for anyhow investment. You'll be able to make quality and better investment decision. Once you discover these 7 lies of investment, you'll be able to make quality and better investment decision. Unlike me, when I was getting started in the world of investing, my mindset was very low. I have no knowledge. I have no education about it. I have no experience. All that was just in my head is that, okay, I just think investment is when I put my money in a particular venture, I'll get double, I'll get triple. That was my mindset. And based on that poor mindset, I lost a lot of money. Yeah, I lost a lot of money, even with my friends back then when we get started in the world of investing. So by the time you understand the principles that guide investing, by the time you understand things you need to put in place, even before you start investing, what to invest, where to invest, how to invest, you'll be able to make quality investment decision. Yeah, so let's dive into the topic. Number one investment lie is you can get rich with investing. You can get rich quick through investing. Number one, number one, number one. You can get rich quick with investing. So that's number one. You can get rich quick with investing. This statement has sent a lot of people to early grave. It has sent a lot of people, in fact, a lot of people have even died based on this investment lies. A lot of people just think, oh, investment is just put your money in a particular venture and then you expect it to just multiply at once. Investment doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Investment doesn't work that way. So for you to make a better decision when it comes to investment, forget that mindset of getting rich quick. Investment is long term. Investment involves time, patience, and discipline. Time, patience, and discipline. When I was starting back then, I didn't know that investment is about time. It's about patience. I just think that, okay, now when I started making money, my first $100, I lost it on crypto investment, crypto. So someone introduced the investment to me, and then the person told me that, okay, this investment in the next 1 week you will get 50%. I was like, wow. Well, if I had been informed that investment takes time, takes patience and discipline, and also investment should be long term, if I had known that principle, I wouldn't have fallen for that nonsense get rich quick scheme. So that's number one. So if you are just watching us for the first time, kindly tell us your name and where you are watching us from, and please share this video to as many people as you can so they can learn this, so that they can make better and quality investment decisions. So number one, you can get rich quick investing. So that's the number one lie. So nobody gets rich quick through investing. Only if you win a lottery, and lottery is by chance. It's by chance. So you can't get rich quick through you can't get rich quick through investing. You can only get rich quick by time, patience, and discipline. Time, patience, and discipline. If you can follow those 3 principles that guides that first lie of investing, then you will surely make a better investment decision. Now, let's move to number 2. If you are enjoying this section, kindly type value, value, value. Value, value, value. Okay, now let's continue. Number 2 is investing is just like gambling. Investing is just like no. So, line number 2 that people make is investing is just like gambling. Number 2, investing is just like gambling. Yeah, so a lot of people used to think investing is just like gambling. It's not to just put money in one particular venture and then double it at once. No, gambling is when you are investing by chance. Investment is when you are making a quality, better, and informed decision. Investment is not gambling. Investment is when you are making quality, better decisions. Quality, better, and informed decision. So that is investing. So don't ever think that investment is just like gambling. So that's line number 2. Welcome. Tell us your name and where you're joining us from. And kindly help us share this video to as much as you can. And we are talking about 7 common lies of investing and how you can avoid these lies. So we discussed number 1. A lot of people think that you can get rich quick with investing. No, you can't get rich quick with investing. You can only get rich based on your information, the time, and then patience. So that's number 1. Number 2, investing is just like gambling. No, gambling is by chance. Investing is making an informed decision. Yes, you have done analysis, you have done your research, you have done your due diligence, and you are certain that, okay, this investment is the right one for me at this moment. Then you put your money in. So that's that. So now let's move on to number 3, which is the third one, is you need a lot of money to invest. You need a lot of money. Line number 3. You need a lot of money to start investing. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. That is why there's co-ownership. You can partner with your friends to own a property. So don't let money stop you from not getting started with investing. Welcome, Mr. Gabriel. Thank you for joining us. Please kindly help us share this video to as much people as possible. So line number 3 is you need a lot of money to start investing. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. All you just need is knowledge and friends that you guys can come together in order to own a property. So now let's move on to line number 4, which is confidence of predicting the future. A lot of people fall for this. Even I myself have been guilty of this, confidence of predicting the future. Number 4, confidence. Confidence of predicting the future. Don't mind my writing. Okay, confidence of predicting the future. This is another lie that a lot of people do fall. Even I myself are falling for it. I'm falling for it. So even when you are investing in stock, forex, crypto, don't ever say it is guaranteed. Don't be too confident in that particular investment, because it's not even your father that owns the market. It's not your father that owns the market. So don't ever predict the future. Because okay, Benjamin Graham once said that the future is full of surprises. Yes. So history has it that the future is always full of surprises. So anything can happen in the future. What if what you invested in did not yield what you're expecting? So that's when you lost your money. So have it at the back of your mind that you shouldn't be too confident when investing in any asset, maybe real estate, crypto assets, stocks, bond. Those things are not 100% guaranteed. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. So, and for you to invest, number one thing you must, before anybody even tell you that you should put your money in a particular venture, number one, you must ask them that, okay, if is this thing, if it is really 100% guaranteed, can you prove it mathematically? That's number one. Then number two, you should ask them is that they should show you a level of they should show you a level of humility. That is, they should not be too confident. That is, they should let you know about the risks to loss. You should know about the risks to loss of the investment. No investment is 100% guaranteed. Even your life. What is the assurance that when you go out now, you are coming back? What is the assurance that you will see tomorrow? So don't let anybody scam you by telling you that something is 100% guaranteed. There are some level of risk. It's just like, just argue as an investor, you have to learn to minimize your risk. You have to also learn to spread your risk. So don't ever think that, you can easily predict the future. The future is full of surprises. Benjamin Graham said that. So anything can happen in the future. So delete it at the back of your mind that you can predict the future. And a lot of people that fell for crypto, okay, early this year, they said crypto will rise to over 100,000. And a lot of people started pumping money. And now, what is it? The market is down. It's down. So a lot of people are affected. So don't ever let anybody to tell you that, it is. I'm very confident that in this particular period of time, this investment will yield this. No, before they can even tell you that, tell them to prove it mathematically. Also ask them that what is the risk to loss of this particular investment. So those things you need to put them in place for you to be able to have, quality information on whatever you are investing in. So let's move on to number 5. If you are following, please kindly help us share this video to as much people as you can. Kindly help us share this video to as much people as you can. So number 5 is sense of ownership. Sense of ownership. Yeah, sense of ownership. Welcome. Tell us your name and where you are joining us from. And as we're discussing the topic, 7 common lies of investing, 7 common investment lies. So number 5 is sense of ownership. Sense of ownership. A lot of people just want to own a particular. A lot of people just think, okay, they just buy some, let's say they buy stocks or some crypto asset or some real assets, they are already wealthy. No, because you just own some numbers amount of shares doesn't mean that you are already wealthy. You need to own, you even need to focus on one and then own a larger amount. So that's that one, number 5. Number 6 is lies is just become a landlord and you'll be wealthy forever. Just become a landlord and you'll be wealthy forever. Becoming a landlord and you'll be wealthy forever. A lot of people just think once they just buy a plot of land, bam, or 1 acre, they are wealthy forever. No, delete that at the back of your mind. What will make you wealthy is what you do with that particular piece of land. What amount of cash flow that is coming from those assets that you own. Maybe you are part of the owners of shares or you're part of the owner of a company. The cash flow you are getting from it is what will determine if you'll be wealthy or not. The cash flow you are getting from this property is what will determine your prosperity. You can only live wealthy through the numbers of assets that is bringing in cash inflow. Without cash flow, you can't be wealthy. So don't just think that because you have gotten a plot of land or two, you are wealthy. No. You have to think about how you can generate cash flow from that asset you are putting money in. So that's that. Now let's move to number 7. Number 7, diversification. Diversification. A lot of people just think that, okay, because they used to say, okay, diversify your portfolio, diversify your portfolio. Before even diversifying, can you boldly say that this particular asset is giving you enough cash flow that you need to fund most of your liabilities? Can you say that you have mastered a particular skill in that particular industry you are, and it's giving you enough income for you to fund other projects? So don't just think that diversification is just what you just use anyhow. No. Even Warren Buffett, when he was investing in Coca-Cola, he invested long enough. Long enough. He was a major shareholder in Coca-Cola before he started diversifying. So before you even think about diversification, make sure that you own a particular asset and you multiply that asset. And that asset is giving you tons amount of money, massive cash flow before you think about diversification. So most of you just think that okay, you can easily start doing different businesses, and then in your head you think you are diversifying. You are not diversifying. That's not even a smart way to diversify. So you need to own something first. That thing that you are owning, ensure that it's giving you enough cash flow. Enough. You have mastered it. You have spent time in that one particular game, that particular business, that particular career, before you now start looking at other places. You need to even be a king in your industry before thinking about other places to put your money in. So diversification has sent a lot of people to their early grave. Whenever they just see any business, they just jump in. No. And people do this diversification a lot in stock while investing in stock markets. They put their money in multiple stocks. And let's say 80% of those stocks they put their money in goes down, and 20% is on bringing their return. So to me, diversification doesn't really make sense. So even if you are going to diversify, ensure that you're a major owner of a particular. If let's say you are co-owning a business, yes, you can invest to own a business. But buying multiple shares, thinking that you are diversifying, is not really a smart way. Pick a particular, even if it's Apple stock that you want to buy, keep on buying for the next 10 years. For the next 10 years. That is it. Investment, you must be consistent. It involves time and patience. Not that you now put your money in 20 stocks, buying stock as if you are shopping for bags and shoes. So let us avoid those investment lines. Before you diversify, ensure that you have built enough portfolio in that particular investment you are doing. You have built enough, you are the major owners of that particular investment. It could be real estate. It could be that maybe you have owned at least 20 units, 100 units, 1,000 units. Before you can now think of, okay, I want to diversify my portfolio. So you can learn these 7 common lies of investments. You will thrive in your investment journey. You will stop falling for anything. You stop falling for any investment. So you need to learn to make better decisions. And how can you make better decisions? Stop falling for get rich quick scheme. Stop investing like you are gambling. Stop investing like you are gambling. Then you don't need you need a lot of money to start. You don't need a lot of money to start investing in real estate. You don't need a lot of money. All you just need is friends that are ready to co-own with you, or you can even do it alone. So you don't need a lot of money. There are assets that you can put your money in that doesn't require a lot of capital. All you just need is common knowledge and information, and get knowledge from brokers like us, so we can guide you towards making a profitable investment. Okay, number 5, sense of ownership. A lot of people just think that, okay, let me just own plenty shares, plenty different types of crypto. and then I'm already wealthy. No, no, that's not it. So you need to own multiple assets that is giving you cash flow. If it is real estate that you want to do, own multiple real assets that will give you that cash flow that you need. Just becoming a landlord alone won't make you rich. Number six, becoming a landlord alone won't make you rich. The amount of cash producing assets, that's the thing that will make you rich. And diversification is also another lie. Before you diversify, ensure that you have built enough assets in that particular industry you are in before you think about diversification. I hope with these few points, you've been able to learn one or two things and you'll be able to make better investment decisions. Thank you for joining us. See you on the next episode. And if you're looking at investing in real estate, you can reach out to us. Send real estate investing to contact@propertyevangelist.com or reach out to us on our WhatsApp platform 081 011 560 57. Thank you. Bye for now.